Hi, this is clinical dietitian Divya Kotwani, and I am here with the new transformation, the transformation of 35 kgs of Hosana. So, Hosana, how are you?
I'm absolutely fine. After meeting you, I'm feeling more refreshed.
So, let's begin. So, my first question to you is how was the journey from 98 to 68?
The journey from 98 to 68 is full of ups and downs, many hurdles, but health culture support was ultimate. I'm feeling much more lighter. I can climb mountains now, feeling very energetic as I'm anchor by profession. So we need that full energy and entho. And before losing the weight, I used to feel very lethargic also. मैं थक भी जाती थी. But after reducing the weight, I have put more energy and I come with full power in my events. So I'm feeling very happy after that. My energy level has increased.
Nice. That's nice. So, my second question to you is how do you manage your work with your diet?
To manage my work with diet is difficult because I remain out for 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, even 24 hours when I have three events in a day. But I pack all the things, I pack all the dabbas, everything, breakfast, lunch, dinner, beach ki choti choti munching, your favorite makhanas, as you say always, to carry with me that protein. But I carry everything with me and I feel very happy when I avoid those junk food which are present in the event. Everyone is eating those rasmalais and gulab jamun, and I'm very happy eating all the healthy diet being prescribed by you. I feel happy.
You don't feel like उधर इतना सारा शादी का खाना, the मेहंदी खाना, the संगीत खाना. You don't feel like eating one of those.
I sometimes feel when I have craving, but I have the target in mind. I have to achieve that. वो खाया ना तो फिर उसे कम करने में जो मेरी वाट लगने वाली है. So that's why I remember my target. I remember that BMI you told me in the initial day. So वो दिमाग में रख के मैं उसे इग्नोर करके मुंह फिरा के मेरे टिफिन की तरफ जाती हूँ.
Nice. Fourth question to you is people want to know what physical problem you were having before the transformation.
Before the transformation, I was not having only one physical problem. I was surrounded with many, many, many problems. The big problems were thyroid, as everyone know what is thyroid. Thyroid problem सबसे बड़ा. Then second problem I was facing was PCOD. That stuck menses और उसकी वजह से anger issues और hormonal imbalance. So I was very much worried about my health. And I came to you, and after that entire journey, I am done and dusted with every single problem. My menses are on time. My thyroid is all normal. Medicines are being done. Everything is very good. No joint pains, no bone pains, no PCOD, thyroid khatam. So everything feels so good. अब तो ये दुनिया बड़ी अच्छी लगने लगी है.
Nice. So my next question to you is who was old anchor Hosana and who is now the new version 2.0 anchor Hosana?
See, Dr. Divya, you know, anchoring field is a showbiz. जैसा दिखता है वैसा बिकता है. So earlier I was talented, I am talented, I was talented. बहुत सारी खासियतें थी मेरे काम में भी, बट एक चीज की वजह से which I always used to feel that problem was people used to judge me because I was obese, I was fat, and everyone wants a very good looking anchor in their event. But after this entire journey with health culture, I've reduced my 35 kgs of weight. I've achieved my target. My confidence level, which I used to have before, I was confident that time also, but now it's apart. I have reached that confidence level because I have that energy to do work. I can do 2, 3 events in a day with same pace, with same energy, with same happiness, with good body, and one more thing. Um, पहले मैं वो ड्रेसेस नहीं पहन पाती थी बिकॉज आई एम बिग शॉपिंग लवर. पहले वो ड्रेसेस नहीं पहन पाती थी मैं. आई यूज टू ब्रिंग दैट लंबा लंबा 10, 10, 12, 12 मीटर वाला थान का कपड़ा एंड यूज टू स्टिच गेट ड्रेसेस स्टिच फॉर मी. बट नाउ आई कैन गेट फिट इन any attire. So from the triple XL to size M I have reached, and I know karte karte you will make me reach size S as well.
We have that target in our mind.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the old Hosanna and new Hosanna, happy, energetic, peaceful, and focused.
So I want to tell my viewers that she used to wear like पूरा ऊपर से नीचे ढका हुआ कपड़ा. And if you remember now, if you see Anchor Hosanna's reel right now, and now the clothes have been deducted.
Yeah, because
So
I now love to show that body which I've actually worked
you
upon.
have achieved it. So my next question to you is, so this is little personal question because my whole family, my friends do my diet. So how is your bestie Divya different from the dietitian Divya, which is your dietitian? So tell the difference.
See, the difference is my bestie Divya motivates me, but the dietitian Divya has a danda in her hand. And whenever 10 grams जैसा भी कभी increase होता है ना, she puts me on detox. That is the big punishment being given by dietitian Divya. And your that thing only is the best thing because it motivates us and you have a eye check on us कि हम वो weight बढ़ाए ना. And your detox, I just love. I happily do detox twice a week. So this is Dr. Divya. When she finds that there is something wrong happening with Hosanna, she's not completing her sleep, she's not doing her steps, she is not doing her workout properly, she is doing some fumble in her diet, then she is strict. सो बेस्टी को तो वो साइड में कर देती हैं एंड डॉक्टर दिव्या का वो प्रकोप पूरा मुझ में दिखता है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली आई हैव अचीव दिस टारगेट एंड रिड्यूस 35 kgs. So she is the best. She is the best. My bestie थोड़ा बिगाड़ के रखती है, but Dr. Divya is the
But
best.
I am the same person making you feed, and I am the same person making you deduct.
And one thing I want to tell, चीट अगर मैंने की है तो ना मैंने मेरे फैमिली के साथ की है, ना मैंने किसी फ्रेंड्स के साथ की है, ना मैंने किसी इवेंट मैनेजर के साथ की है ना. आई हैव ऑलवेज डन चीट विथ डॉक्टर दिव्या ओनली. सो शी इज माई चीट पार्टनर ऑल्सो, है ना, माई क्राइम पार्टनर. सो वी डू क्राइम ऑफ चीटिंग टुगेदर.
So my next question is to you is, what workout you did and when did you start it?
See, initially when I was bulky, 100 kilo, उठते भी नहीं बनता था. So during those days, your diet only added magic. The thing I used to do is terrace पे बस चलना after that dinner वाला part. जैसा आप बोलते हो, after dinner you should walk. So उसी से ही I have like reduced 10 to 15 kgs that walk. And after when I got up to 80 kgs, then you asked me to go for a proper workout thing, to join gym, to do Zumba, to do yoga. Then you started advising me and following your each and every advice regarding the exercise. If you remember, you have given me a proper flow of how to do walk on treadmill. So that thing I'm still following and I'm getting the results. See, every time I'm coming, reducing some of the other weight in front of you, because the workout thing, it's very difficult to me managing in between the events. But how you guide na, ki how you can do these things at your home also, I follow that and I get the result. So when I'm not able to go to gym na, your guidance works magic over me.
So ending up with the last question, I want you to share your experience about the whole journey of 35 kgs. Sum up with something.
I would like to say a very first line, which is a big line, which I always say. For this entire journey, the credit goes to you. As I always mention, the credit goes to you. The motivation which I get from you, the enthusiasm which I get from you, the danda which I get from you. So in the initial days, it was easy for me. 8 months, 25 kgs. Now after that 25 kgs, here comes the big struggle because, as you said, that stubborn fat. So with that, up एक 2 kilo, एक 2 kilo every month I'm doing it, but I work really hard for that ताकि मैं आपको वो result दे सकूँ. When I come to you and you just open my file and put all those inches and reduce weight, but I'll not give up, Dr. Divya. I'm out of that obesity thing, but I'll not give up. As I said ना, एक ईयर क्या मैं जिंदगी भर आपकी डाइट करना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम सच अ बिग फैन ऑफ अ डाइट कि इनके अलावा मैं कुछ बाहर खाने का सोच भी नहीं सकती. आई एम सच अ बिग फैन, वो तो जिंदगी भर में करती रहूंगी. बट ऐसा है कि आई डोंट वांट टू गिव अप. आई एम
Last 5
डेडिकेटेड.
kgs.
लास्ट 5 kgs तो मैं बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक, 1 महीना लगे, 1 साल लगे, 2 साल लगे, I'll put my all. I want to reach that weight. Yeah, I want that. वो मैं कैसे भी करके करूंगी, but I will. It's
But I also want to tell my viewers that sometimes she is coming to me with just 1 kg, good amount of fat reduction, good amount of lot of inch change, but with 1 kg she don't give up. She's like 1 kilo gaya hai na, I'm happy. So this is also, you know, a motivation that 1 महीने में 1 किलो कर रही है and she is very happy. Nice.
वेरी हैप्पी एंड फिर घर जाके यार 1 किलो कम किया है, अब अगले महीने 2 किलो तो कम करके लाके दूं. दिस आखिरी का पार्ट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, बट आई पुट माई ऑल.
Yeah.
मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ती.